Welcome to the match 51 of IPL 2025. Here GT is hosting SRH. It is a do or die game for SRH, while on the other hand GT needs to get these 2 points to get the second position on the points table. In this match GT is batting first and Shami is bowling the first over against his former teammates. Shami was coming into this IPL immediately after recovering from an injury, so he was not in best of his forms. Here also, he was bowling on the pads to both Gill and Sudarshan. As a result, Gill smashed him for a 6 and gained the momentum in the very first over of the match. With that momentum, Gujarat scored 82 runs in the power play without losing even a single wicket. Though SRH conceded more than 80 runs in the power play, but they didn't allow Sai Sudarshan to complete his half century. As Sai was leaving, it was time for Gill to take charge of the score until Buttler gets his eye in. And he did exactly the same. He completed his half century in the 10th over, and by that time the team's total was well over 100. After Gill, Buttler completed his half century with this shot. Turn by turn, Gill and Buttler took charge of scoring, and due to that, the score of GT was well beyond 200 by 20th over. GT lost 3 wickets in the final over, but they still managed to post 224 runs on the board. In reply, Head and Abhishek came out to bat, and with that SRH lineup, you cannot write them off at any stage. Abhishek tried to copy Gill's strategy of gaining the momentum from very first over, but the kind of support Gill got from Sudarshan, unfortunately, Abhishek didn't get it from Head. Abhishek held one end tightly but didn't get support from the other end. There was a brief partnership between him and Klaasen, but GT dismissed Klaasen as well. Abhishek completed his half century in the 12th over and started scoring runs quickly after that, but he was dismissed by experienced Ishant Sharma on the last ball of 15th over. After that, Klaasen was dismissed in the very next over and the game was almost over for Sunrisers Hyderabad. Then Mohammad Siraj dismissed Aniket and Kushal Mendis on back-to-back deliveries and was on a hat-trick when Pat Cummins came out to bat. Pat Cummins didn't allow him to take a hat-trick as he dispatched him for a boundary. At the start of the last over, SRH needed 44 runs to win. Task of restricting SRH was given to Ishant Sharma so that they can get net run rate points as well, along with the 2 points on the table. but unfortunately Ishant Sharma fell down after bowling the second delivery of the over, and the rest of the over was finished by Sai Kishore. Sai Kishore did his job pretty well as GT won the match by 38 runs. This was the 7th win for GT in the season, and they carried this momentum in next couple of games to qualify for the playoffs. Unfortunately, they didn't continue that momentum in last couple of matches and didn't finish in top 2 at the end of group stage. Next, they faced Mumbai Indians in the qualifier and they were not able to beat them. Hence, they finished 4th in IPL 2025.